This 2022 Jayco Precept 31UL is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Kervel's RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, microwave, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, oven, TV, air conditioning, self-contained, slide-out, skylight, stovetop burner, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment. This 2022 Jayco Precept 31UL is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Kervel's RV.